So apparently, somewhere along this YouTube journey, I became the working man's DJ.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
And honestly, I'm not mad at it. We've tested affordable speakers, microphones, headphones, basically everything you need to sound good, except one thing. Introducing the Behringer Flow 8. Now, it may look like something the astronauts accidentally lost on the Artemis 2 launch, but it promises to take those budget items we love on this channel to new heights. And before I accidentally Bluetooth my neighbor's TV with this thing, hit that subscribe button and join me every Wednesday night for King's Court, where we put gear on trial and occasionally ruin brand reputations. Let's do this. So first things first, what is this thing? This is the Behringer Flow 8, an 8-input overachiever that's trying hard to be your DJ mixer, audio interface, live stream hub, and sound engineer, all in one tiny box.
Yeah, boy.
First impression, it's small, like really small.
That's what she said.
It's got Bluetooth audio, app control, built-in effects, a USB interface for recording and streaming, and auto gain. To be honest, this thing has more responsibilities than the security team at Jurassic Park.
Hold on to your butts.
All right, let's see if this thing actually sounds good. Because features are cool, but if this audio ain't right, my wife is shutting this whole review down before the algorithm even gets a chance.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Check 1, 2. Here is the microphone test with the Flow 8, Behringer Flow 8 mixer. Microphone test. This is with the exact same settings I was playing the music on just a minute ago. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
All right, this is the microphone test without the Behringer Flow 8 connected. I have the microphone connected directly into the back of the speaker, so there's no processing at all. Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. Microphone test. Leave down in the comments, what do you guys think about the non-processed sound? Okay, so one really cool thing about the Behringer Flow 8 is obviously this app. Now you download the Flow Mix app off of the App Store, and then you can have full control over your mixer via your iPhone, iPad, computer, whatever you want to download the app onto. Super, super cool functionality. So as you can see, in channel 3 is where I have my controller going into. So if you tap on channel 3, you can see my EQ settings here. So at the 100 hertz level, it's minus 1 dB, 500 hertz, minus 1 dB, 2000 hertz, minus 3 dB, 12,000 hertz, minus 1 dB. Back it back out. You go to the main channel. On the main channel, you can see the 250 hertz is all the way down, -15. We've got the 2000 hertz at -2, 4000 -2, 8000 -8. Now these settings sounded good to me. I got these settings from Josh Ackman. Shout out to Josh. I posted on Facebook in the Exoton speaker group what are some settings that people that have this mixer have been using, and Josh put this in the comments. I tested a few different mixer settings that people posted in there, and this one sounded the best to me. Now just keep in mind, guys, sound is subjective. So what sounds good to my ears may not sound good to your ears. But the beauty of this thing is that you can literally make this, control it however you want it to sound as you walk around the room or venue that you're in. Super cool functionality. I am so impressed by this little mixer. So let's go over some pros and cons of this little guy. Number one pro, it's super portable. Easy to take around, lightweight, and it's got tons of features. App control is clutch. I love having the ability to walk around the room with my iPad and tune the speaker for the room. It's so amazing. Another pro, this thing's good for streaming, which I haven't even tested yet. I might just find myself buying a second one of these for my streaming setup. But with all that being said, there's always some cons. Cons, it's pretty small, which is a good thing because it's portable. But for somebody with these big meat hooks, sometimes I find myself feeling like I might break one of the knobs or move something that I'm not meaning to move. There is also a slight learning curve with the app. It's not that complicated. If I can figure it out, you can figure it out. Also, there's not a ton of outputs. The other glaring con of this mixer is it's micro USB powered. You have to be super careful when you're plugging this thing in to get its power. One wrong move and that thing is snapping off and you're done. So who's this mixer for? It's for working DJs with small mobile setups, live streamers, content creators, people like that. Who is this mixer not for? Large events, full bands that have tons of monitors and microphones and different systems to hook up. Also, people who just want a simple plug and play unit. This might be a little out of their comfort zone. If you need 16 inputs, this ain't it. So final verdict, is the Flow 8 worth it? Honestly, for the price and size, this thing is kind of ridiculous. This seriously is the first mixer that makes me question why I bought a bigger Alto one. Just so you guys know, I was not sent this product. I bought it with my own money. Behringer has no idea who I even am. I'm sure once they see this video, hopefully they'll be impressed and maybe they'll send me some things in the future. But as of this video, I have no relationship with Behringer and all of these thoughts were my own, was not paid in any way for this video. There will be an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below. Thank you guys for always checking out all my reviews. Like I said in the intro, I've got a lot of products on my channel, budget items. So if you're in the market for some budget DJ gear, check them out. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next review.